This is a Minimonkey Mini Sling. It's absolutely tiny. It's the most compact, lightweight carrier around. And if you're looking for something light, something quick and easy for quick up and downs, this is an awesome extra carrier alongside your regular two-shouldered baby carrier. I'm going to put 4-month-old Anaya in here to show you how to get a really good fit. Here's Anaya. So hold her up on your shoulder, your hand comes under here, and you're going to pop both of their feet through. Now the first thing to do is get them into the position that you want them to end up in, and then we're going to move the sling around them. Now it's really important to make sure that the fabric is tucked up nicely under their knees. So here I need to move things around a little bit so the padded section, the lightly padded section, is on my shoulder, and the green fabric here is going into her knee pits. And you can see that her knees are tucked up higher than her bum. If you're using a mini sling or a ring sling, this is really important. Now I'm using my right hand underneath here to act as a brake, pulling the fabric up towards her neck. Now at 4 months, if she wants to have her arms out, she can. She looks fairly snuggly, so I'm going to keep her arms in for now, and we tighten up this portion here, spread out your shoulder strap, and if you need to get things tighter, pull this black strap here diagonally. And it should tighten up quite nicely. Now here I've got Anaya on my hip. I can have her round on my front instead, and I'm pretty hands-free right now. She's very happy, very chilled out. If she was feeling a little bit more wiggly, moving around, especially if her arms were over the top of the carrier here, I may need to keep one arm, one hand here just to stabilize her a little bit. But right now, looks pretty good.